नमस्ते एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल संस्कारा बाय निशिता। आई होप कि आप लोग एकदम स्वस्थ, मस्त और तंदुरुस्त होंगे। तो आज की वीडियो मैं एज अ योगा टीचर बिल्कुल नहीं बना रही हूँ, बट एज अ मदर। यस, kids these days are very hyperactive, they are very intelligent, they are very curious, and Noorvi is no different. She's a very intelligent and a bright girl, and she's a hyperactive kid. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you how I deal with my hyperactive kid. These are all my personal opinions. You can feel free to disagree. So without wasting any more time, let's dive in. So number one, I love to play balancing games with her. Now this is something that we started doing recently and I saw a lot of change in her. Now if she's sitting, I just put any kind of object on her head and I ask her to stand. Now there are times when she's able to balance and there are times she's not able to balance. But what she does is she keeps on trying, and that's where we make a mind and body connection. So I place a book, I place an object and I ask her to walk. And then her entire focus is on the book and to make it or keep it stable. And this works beautifully. She is calm, she's trying to maintain that balance, she's getting the mind and body relaxed. So this works beautifully, and best part is she enjoys doing it. So you can also try doing very easy balancing games with her. You can put a block, you can put anything. I put sometimes a water bottle cap on her head and I ask her to walk. And she has been enjoying it. So this helps to keep the child's emotion also in check. You know, there are times when Noorvi is not able to make that balance, and sometimes she gets angry and upset also. Why I'm not able to do? And then, you know, after some time she's able to process those emotions and she's ready to try. I think that's the biggest thing we can tell. Every time kids are not going to be successful, they have to learn. So this game does that beautifully. Make that body and mind connection and not give up. Keep trying. Number two, I get her involved in daily activities. Now, if I'm cooking, she loves to cook. What she'll do is she'll get all the utensils out and she's going to try, and she'll be the chef and she'll try to whip up some recipes and she'll do some cooking. And that time I see her very calm, very focused, and that works beautifully. So you can see what your child loves to do and you can ask them to do that activity. Though she makes a mess, sometimes she wants to make a roti also and there's atta all around, so I have to calm myself down and just let her be. But this works beautifully for her. She loves to play, and she wants to use the actual utensils. She doesn't want to use those toys and all. She wants to go in the kitchen and get those pans, get atta, and then play with that. Because it gives her a sense of achievement also, and she is very calm when she's playing. So I let her be. So you can see what works for your child, what your child loves to do. Number three that I've been doing for a very, very long time, making her listen to mantras. Now, when I used to drop her to school, I used to just play any mantra. Like I wanted her to, learn the Mahamrityunjay mantra. But I knew for a 3.5-4-year-old girl, it's going to be very difficult. It's a long mantra and it's a complicated mantra. So without having any expectations, I just used to play that mantra. Just to listen every day. And then after, I think, 20-25 days, she was just humming that mantra and she was saying, Om Tyambagam. And I was surprised how, see, the kids absorb, they are absorbing. Even if you think that you're listening or they are not paying attention, they are. And that's how, she listening to the mantra and learning those mantra keep her very calm and composed. So I make sure that she listens to the mantras and she learns those mantras, not with an intention of learning. I just make her listen to it and she learns on her own automatically. Now these are few things that help her keep calm and works well with Noorvi. You can always try something that works with your child. Every child is different and it's not necessary that these things are going to work, but there is no harm in trying. You can try any of these things that work with your kids. And if you have any suggestion from your side, please drop them in the comment box. I would love to read the comments and I would also love to do it with Noorvi if it helps in any other way. I hope this video was able to give you something and you were able to get something out of this video. मिलते हैं next video में, तब तक के लिए नमस्ते.